Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Andrew Tate's Dog token. Ticker symbol is G. Now this is a very popular token. I saw it trending on DEX Screener yesterday, and then today I saw it just got a brand new central exchange listing. So we're going to go over the information on this very popular Solana meme coin in just 1 second. We're going to talk about how you can get it. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it's doing well, but then not today, it seems like. Today it is down 60%. So in the past 24 hours, this token went down 60%, but it still has a market cap of $21.1 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. And there's been a lot of trading going on today. There's a 24-hour trading volume of $16.3 million for this token. They have had 24,025 transactions before just today in the past 24 hours. On DEX Screener, it says they have $666,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.81% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Token price is around 2.1 cents. Right now per token. This token actually just came out 1 day, 8 hours ago on Raydium. That's when the pair was created. So I saw it trending yesterday, doing very well yesterday. Today, still, like I said, huge market cap, but down 60% in the past 24 hours. So this token was created on pump.fun. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. They have 1,405.9 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 15,987,000 pooled G tokens. So Andrew Tate's dog that escaped the Matrix is named G. There's a quick audit here on DEX Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. We're going to check another quick audit here in a second. If you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Tate's Dog on Sol. And it says official CTO for Andrew Tate's Dog on Solana. Now, CTO stands for Community Takeover. So maybe there was a community takeover for this token. Usually they tell you on DEX Screener, usually there's a community takeover claim, but I don't see one on DEX Screener, so I'm not sure if there was one or not. But on their on their Telegram, it does say CTO, maybe on their Twitter as well. We're going to check in a second. Also on that Telegram, they have here another one linked. So there's two different Telegram links. One of them is Tate's. Oh, no. Okay, it's the same. I don't know why they linked it twice. But basically their Telegram is Tate's Dog on Sol. And they have 3,238 Telegram subscribers. So their webpage has the DEX Tools DEX Screener chart. You could also find this token on SolScan and Birdeye. And then they have their Twitter, Telegram also linked on their webpage as well. It says, escape the doggy matrix with G, the token dedicated to Andrew Tate's dog named G. And there is a tweet with a little embedded video that you could watch on the webpage. It says the two most famous G's in the world, road dogs. And they have him and Andrew Tate in a little video here. Now they do have a step-by-step how to buy this token using a Phantom wallet and using Raydium on their webpage here. But first we're going to talk about how this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today. So November 18th, this morning at 10:30 a.m. UTC time, the G token just got listed on xt.com. So XT is a central exchange, and you could download the XT Exchange app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would go into the dApps, first you would fund your account, your XT account, after you open it with USDT. Then you would go into the trading section and you would search the ticker symbol G, and then you would trade your USDT for the G token in the spot trading zone. Now, you could also get this token off a decentralized exchange like Raydium. So you could fund your Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Solflare wallet, or Phantom wallet with Sol. Now you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the G token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, date'sdog.com, and dog is with 2 G's. And you can see the webpage is linked right there, but you can also see the contract address is right there on that Twitter. So real easy to find it on the Twitter at gsolanadog. And so using that contract address, you trade your Sol for the G token. You probably won't have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. There will be a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of a DEX like Raydium, and this token may also be available on Jupiter, Meteora, or Orca, which are other Solana DEXs as well. So the token dedicated to Andrew Tate's dog, this Twitter here, has 2,407 followers, 35 tweets, has the contract address in the pinned tweet there as well. And besides that, I mean, this token here you can find on DEX Tools. And there is a quick audit on DEX Tools, and it doesn't go over everything. It does go over a few things, though. It says contract verified, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, no honeypot, and no other risks. Total supply for this token is 999.99 million tokens. That's also the circulating supply. And they have 8,430 holders, so they're doing very well. So go check this token out and let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.